You've tried everything to remove leg hair, but what if only one method actually delivers lasting results? Shaving. Common in Western cities like New York and London. Quick, but temporary. Razor bumps and cuts. Cost-effective, but short-lived results. Waxing hot-cold popular in Brazil and Miami. Long-lasting smoothness. Painful and can irritate sensitive skin. Needs hair to grow before next use. Sugaring. Used in Egypt and parts of the Middle East. Natural paste of sugar, lemon, water. Less painful than waxing. Good for sensitive skin types. Hair removal creams accessible globally. Painless and quick. Chemical smell. Can cause burns. Works best on fine hair. Epilators common in cities like Tokyo and Berlin. Removes hair from the roots. Painful at first, but long-lasting. Requires patience and practice. Threading, yes. Legs. Originated in India. Now seen in Dubai salons. Precise, but time-consuming. Not ideal for large leg areas. Great for touch-ups. Tweezing spot treatment method. Best for stray hairs. Tedious and time-intensive. No chemicals or heat involved. Laser hair removal. Common in Los Angeles and Seoul. Semi-permanent to permanent. Expensive upfront. Not ideal for all skin tones. IPL Intense pulls light at home laser alternative. Less intense, but affordable. Requires multiple sessions. Can reduce hair growth over time. Dermaplaning tools. Trending in beauty cities like Paris. Exfoliates as it removes fine hair. Not long-lasting. Best combined with other methods. Baking soda scrubs. DIY method from lifestyle vloggers. Not clinically proven. Might exfoliate dead skin. Not hair. Can dry out skin. Pumice stone rub traditional method in rural India and Africa. Friction removes surface hair. Risk of skin damage. Works slowly over time. Sandpaper glove novelty product. Buffs hair off like exfoliating. Can cause redness. Temporary results. Turmeric paste used in Ayurveda practices. Believed to slow hair growth. Stains skin yellow, natural, and gentle. Papaya paste. Enzyme breaks down hair. Used in Thailand and Sri Lanka. Long-term use required. Smells sweet. Non-toxic. Raw papaya plus turmeric mix combo remedy. May gradually weaken hair roots. Needs consistent application. Very budget-friendly. Honey plus lemon mask sticky natural wax. Less painful than store wax. Can cause slight stinging. Ancient Greek technique. Rice flower scrub. Japanese-inspired skincare. Gently buffs hair away. Can be messy. Skin glow. Baby oil razor glide. Common Western hack. Reduces friction. Less irritation. Not for oily skin types. Not a hair removal method itself, but enhances shaving. Electric trimmers. Widely used in urban areas. Quick and pain-free. No root removal. Needs regular upkeep. Aloe vera plus gelatin peel mask. Korean DIY trend. Pulls off fine hair. Satisfying but not deep. Soothing on irritated skin. Cold wax strips pre-made. Convenience. Good for travel. Less messy than hot wax. Hair growth inhibitor serums often used post-wax. Slows regrowth. Needs regular use. Charcoal hair pull mask detox while removing hair. Similar to peel-off masks. Messy application.
Charcoal hair pull mask detox while removing hair. Similar to peel-off masks. Messy application. Mixed results. Lactic acid hair reduction. Used in chemical exfoliants. Gradually thins hair. Needs consistent usage. Works best on lighter hair. Lemon juice lightening makes hair less visible. Not true removal. Often used in sunny climates. May dry out skin. Alum plus rosewater paste. Used in Pakistan and Middle East. Believed to slow growth. Cooling sensation. Needs weekly use. Wheat bran scrub natural exfoliant. Often used in Indian home remedies. Gently buffs hair. Good for beginners. Coffee grounds plus coconut oil rub stimulates exfoliation. Scrubs off fine hairs. May improve skin tone. DIY friendly. Banana plus oatmeal paste smooth texture. Removes hair slowly. Moisturizes skin. Natural ingredients. Clay masks fullers earth believed to shrink pores. Tighten skin, sometimes pulls out fine hair. Used in South Asia, flaxseed gel peel-off texture. Grips fine hair, full of omega-3, can be messy. Gram flower and turmeric pack bridal routine, in India. Removes fine hair, brightens skin, natural cleanser. Apricot kernel paste traditional Persian method. Scrubs gently, nourishes as it works, seasonal availability. Seaweed gel rub, found in coastal skincare routines, exfoliates and hydrates. Removes very fine hair, leaves skin silky. Oil massage plus cloth rubbing used in rural African rituals. Loosens weak hairs, nourishes deeply, requires technique. Rose petal and milk rub gentle and luxurious, may reduce hair over time. Common in Middle Eastern beauty, skin safe. Warm coconut wax tropical method in the Philippines. Sticky yet soothing, smells great. DIY potential, soapstone file silky mint type abrasive exfoliation, used in some Scandinavian traditions. Buffs off top layer, may irritate sensitive skin. Enzyme peel hair softener breaks down protein bonds, common in Japan. Reduces regrowth over time, not for quick fixes. Red lentil face pack on legs used by Indian grandmothers. Subtle hair removal, doubles as brightening mask. Avocado plus sugar paste hydrating DIY method. Pulls gently, leaves a soft finish. Tropical beauty remedy. Popular in Vietnamese skincare, softens hair shaft. May reduce visibility. Antioxidant rich. Aloe plus egg white peel tightens skin. Pulls off hair subtly. Requires multiple layers, natural ingredients. Jaggery plus gram flour rub sticky yet nourishing. Hair pull with moisture, old Indian practice, suited for soft hair. Neem paste tan oil rub antifungal properties, slows growth, used in Ayurvedic routines. Cactus gel massage used in desert regions, cooling and exfoliating. Loosens surface hair, rare but natural. Peach resin gel pull Chinese beauty trend, sticky yet full of collagen. Removes peach fuzz. Skin tightening effect. Coconut milk plus turmeric soak soothing and brightening. Common in Sri Lankan rituals. Makes hair softer, best when used regularly. Activated charcoal plus gelatin mix black peel-off option. Pulls hair lightly. Detox benefit, often paired with aloe. Ice rub post-trim suits follicles, not for removal, but calming. Reduces bumps, common in Korean skincare.
Cinnamon plus olive oil scrub tingly exfoliant. May irritate. Stimulates circulation. Smells divine. Mango butter massage Caribbean beauty ritual. Loosens weak hair over time. Nourishing finish. Great post-removal treatment. Steam plus cloth pull opens pores. Loosens fine hair. Found in spa routines. Gentle on skin. Coffee grounds plus coconut oil scrub acts as a natural exfoliant. Claims to weaken hair over time. Leaves skin soft and glowing. Popular in eco-beauty circles. Turmeric plus raw papaya paste enzyme in papaya breaks down hair follicles. Used traditionally in India. Skin brightening bonus. Requires weekly use for results. Banana peel rubbing. Folk belief for hair softening. Alleged enzyme activity. Gentle and skin calming. Best paired with other scrubs. Ice water follicle shrinking cold contracts hair follicles. Slows regrowth when used post-removal. Minimizes inflammation. Great for sensitive skin. Baking soda paste scrub used in many DIY routines. Abrasive action may reduce hair over time. Must be used cautiously. Follow with moisturizer. Epsom salt soak and rub opens pores. Softens hair. Prepares legs for removal. Also reduces swelling and stress. Mustard seed paste. Popular in certain rural Indian areas. Strong paste that irritates hair roots. Needs spot testing. Not for sensitive skin types. Vinegar soak and scrub combo apple cider vinegar weakens hair. Often combined with sugar rub. Balances skin pH, not a quick fix, but gradual. Ashgourd paste rub. Used in parts of Asia. Claims to smoothen and reduce regrowth. Cooling effect. Herbal-based skincare. Milk cream plus saffron blend brightens and moisturizes. Faint hair removal over time. Used in bridal skin preps. Luxurious and softening. Hot water compress plus dry, pull traditional method to soften follicles. Uses clean cloth to pull loosened hairs. Gentle for finer hair. Common in low resource settings. Guava leaf paste used in South American traditions. Claimed to slow regrowth. Antibacterial benefits. Fresh and earthy smell. Zinc plus lemon toner method. Believed to weaken hair follicles. Not a removal, but regrowth inhibitor. Oatmeal plus yogurt scrub grainy texture removes fine hair. Lactic acid helps soften roots. Nourishes and soothes. Loved in Korean skincare routines. Neem oil rinse. Ayurvedic antibacterial oil. Claimed to reduce unwanted body hair. Very pungent scent. Lye-free soap. Scrape rough soap. Rural African technique using gritty soap. Buffs skin and dislodges hairs. Dry method, no water needed. Not for daily use. Essential oil blend, massage tea tree, lavender, peppermint combo. Natural antiseptic and follicle weakening mix. Long-term method only. Sliced tomato rubbing citric acid believed to thin hair. Acts like a mild exfoliant. Softens and brightens. Fermented rice water rinse. Known for strengthening skin. Ancient Asian beauty secret. May reduce hair thickness over time. Hanks, don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.